Let's draw Frankenstein. Start with a curved line, 2 straight lines going up for the side of the head. Next, I'm going to do a curve on the top. It's almost got like a bucket head. Next, I'm going to do some half ovals on each side for the ears. And now we'll do his eyebrow. And he has one big eyebrow in the middle with a curved line. And then the eyes are going to go a half circle underneath, like so, with a half circle for the nose pointing up, 2 lines for the nostrils. Then I'm going to fill in the eye in the middle, put the 2 little pupils, and we'll put the ear detail like this, and ear detail like that. Next we'll do his mouth, which is kind of a straight, but with a slight curve on both ends. Now we'll do the hair, 2 lines going up, and we'll go straight across, and the hair is going to be black, so it's okay if I fill this in a little bit. And then he's got these little hairs that come down with some curved lines. Now I'll fill that all in with black. And I'll add a little bit over there. Great. Now I'll put in some extra line for his eyebrow. And another one for his chin. Next, I'm going to do his body. Curved line with this just curved on slightly on the top and then straight down on both sides. For the arm, flat on the bottom. And then they're going to go up like that. I think I'll make the other one a little bit longer there. And I'll add some fingers, just 3. Oh, we'll finish the legs there. And make a curved line across. Then those fingers, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I know he looks weird right now, but we're going to add some shoes. And then going straight up from the middle, we'll do his legs. They don't quite go as long as the arms. And we'll do a curved line down for his pants, and then a line for his crotch. Then we're going to go diagonal and then straight for his little jacket with some almost triangle shapes, zigzag, and then a little curve right underneath. Time for some color. There he is. Don't forget to like and subscribe.